Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on your iPhone. To do this, open your settings, wallpaper, choose new wallpaper, and then you can choose from your photos or default ones. Let's say we'll choose default. So we pick one we like, for example this one, and we press set. And now we can choose which one we want to set, for lock screen or home screen, or maybe for both. Let's say for both. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, commenting and liking this video.